Hello, son.
Welcome, Daddy.
Yes. Whoa.
You're welcome.
Thank you, honey. You look a little heavy.
Don't mind her, Daddy. No minute passes without something entering her mouth.
It's a lie, Daddy. I'm watching my weight.
I see you're watching your weight. A little...
Come on, Daddy. I'm not that fat. Oh, you're saying it because you've been away for so long. I understand, yeah.
Well, that's true. But it's for a better tomorrow.
Don't bother explaining to her. She's just a girl. She won't understand.
Excuse me? Who's talking to her? Well, I'm your big sister. Hope you've not forgotten.
Well, okay. Now, enough of the fight, you rivals. Now, where's my wife?
She's upstairs.
Mommy! Daddy's there.
Hello, sweetie. I missed you.
I miss you too.
Yeah. And what are they doing?
My eyes are closed.
Come on, let's go inside.
Let's go. I missed you.
What is portion for just one little girl?
Can someone please tell this brat that this big girl here is his elder sister?
Honey. I thank God that He gave us a boy and a girl. Because if both of them were girls, they would have gone for one man. I know what that meant.
Tell me about it. They might even marry the same day.
I wouldn't mind. She's always my best friend. We can cope.
Are you sure? Because all the best friends I know share with their friends.
If you are in any way having your eyes on my meat, I bet you forget it.
Just too funny. Don't even eat in peace. Now you tell me, which one of you tops the academics in school?
Me.
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 Okay. All right. Now let's wait till the WAEC results are out.
Exactly.
And for rewards, whomsoever comes tops and clear all the papers will get 3 weeks holidays in the US.
That's me.
Wow. Same here.
That's me here. That's me.
Both of you should make up your mind and eat your food. Because or else, I'll go for that form. And you will be surprised that I'll be the one to go for this 2 weeks holidays.
Mom, you are out.
Mommy, you're too old for that.
So eat your food and keep quiet. Because I'm going to take one and pass it. Choma, it is too painful to know that very soon our father's name will be wiped out from the surface of this earth. Just because mother couldn't have a son. And she even died in the process. And the painful part is that we lost a sister for the same reason without achieving anything.
Sister, I wish there was something I could do. I mean, wherever Mama is now, her face, her cheek will be soaked in tears. Helpless. I really wish there was something I could do, but...
It's not what you could do, my dear. It's what I can do. Chum, have you forgotten that I was the last person Mother spoke to before she gave up? I can remember the sound of her voice when she said her husband's name must not die. Oh, God.
Hey. Just stay there.
My prince, you can't continue like this. It will break you down.
Don't say. Tell me what more can break a man down? Losing his parents and the only woman that means everything to him. Tell me. I've been in the country for quite a while now. Why didn't you tell me about Ijeoma's death? Why are you just telling me now, Odunze? I thought you said she team. She went to Lagos to stay with someone else somewhere.
I'm sorry, my prince. I was afraid. I thought it could make you abandon your studies.
Abandon my studies, Odunze, for 16 years. 16 whole years. You hate this on me.
I'm sorry, my prince.
Just go. Just go. Odunze.
My prince.
How did she die? Odunze, I said, how did my love die?
She died at childbirth.
She got married?
Not exactly, my prince. But she was pregnant. Her late mother kept threatening me not to stay away from her, claiming that she was married. Ijeoma kept denying. She told me she would explain everything as soon as she put to bed. But she couldn't make it. She died.
Odunze, you are a disgrace. You are a big disappointment, Odunze. To think that I trusted you. I put my love in your hands.
I'm sorry, my prince. I'm sorry.
Just go. Just go.
Tell your daddy to get the car ready. We're taking her to the hospital.
Mom, will she be alright?
She's okay. Sweetheart, he's okay. He's okay. He's always like this. Okay? You're going to be alright. He's okay. Aya, come, let me clean you up.
She's in so much pain. What exactly is causing this pain?
There is no cause for alarm, sir. The pain is traceable to our delayed menstrual cycle. But the good thing now is, it has finally started. So, don't worry, she'll be fine.
See, I told you. Thank God. Let's rest. Choma, you needed to have seen the level of blood that came out from Ogugwa's body. It was so much. Well, the doctor said it's due to the delay in her menstrual cycle. Yeah, I told you it's her first time, but the doctor assured us that everything is under control, that it's normal. There's nothing abnormal about it. But she'll be discharged later today. I'm just going to get some things in the house. I'll meet them up in the hospital. Okay, no problem. Okay, now, bye-bye. Yeah.
Sorry, my angel. Sorry.
Excuse me, sir. What did I just see you do now?
What did you think you saw?
Sir, I thought I saw you trying to...
I don't care what you think you saw. Is there any crime if I adjust my daughter's top?
Your daughter?
My grandmother.
Sorry, sir. I just came to check on her.
What is wrong with these people?
Ogwa, do you mind helping me solve this mathematics?
Yes, I do. As you can see, I'm not done sorting mine.
Come on, stop being stingy. Just help out the brother in need.
Hello. You must learn how to address me as sister. Big sister.
What is it with you and seniority? You're just 11 months older than me. 11 months. And you're acting like my mom.
Oh, you're shouting. You're shouting at me? Go ahead and shout. Let's see how it goes.
Okay. Please, Sister Uwa, just help me solve this mathematics, please.
Now, will you add sister to that?
Sister Uwa.
That's more like it. Yeah, come here. You address me as sister. Get out. Now, where's your pen? Oh, it's a volleyball like you. It's a volleyball.
Not like that.
Let's go. No, we got to close the door. Very well, let's go. So I want to go do that husband and wife shift. See, I promise you I'll be back before you know it.
No, it's not about you coming back before we know it. It's about you telling us the exact day you're coming.
Yes.
I'll be back in 10 days. I promise.
Is that a deal? Is that a deal?
Of course it's a deal, sweetheart. Don't you trust your mother?
You don't even want to go up and...
But I have to go. Come on, let's go. I'll be back before you know it.
Mommy, you promise?
And you promised me to serve your daddy his meal as soon as he gets back home. Promise me?
I promised you.
Because you are on the promise level now. It's a promise. Let's go. I'm going to miss my flight.
Please come back on time.
I will be back.
Mommy,
promise.
I told you I'll be back. Why you would behaving as if I'm going to die or something?
No. Okay, please, we'll come back as a promise.
I cross my heart. You want me to put my heart there? Cross my heart. I'll be back. I don't like the way you look. I will have everything. Take care of the house. You are now the mother of the house. Make sure you serve them food very well, especially this one.
Yeah, I'll take care of it.
I'm not giving much food.
No, I won't.
You shit. Yeah.
Mommy, buy me big collect.
You got that
Mommy, buy me that I like.
I will buy aeroplane.
You buy it too.
Yes. I will carry us to the village.
Mommy.
Okay, mommy, bye. Please come back. Oh, come back.
Daddy, welcome.
How are you? And your brother, where is he?
Fred has gone to bed.
Ah, he's sleeping. Okay, and your mom, where is she?
Mom got an urgent call from Dubai, so she had to run.
She has to run. Run where?
To Dubai. She said you knew about it.
Oh, yes, you told me about it. And did you miss me?
Of course, Daddy. That's why I've been awake waiting for you.
Oh, okay. Give Daddy a big hug. Come here. Ah. Oh, my treasure.
Daddy, wait. I have to get your food.
Ah, okay. Yeah, forgot my food.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, honey.
Daddy.
It's only me. Come, sir.
Daddy?
Yes.
What are you doing in my room?
Your room? This is your room? Oh, come here. Come here, come.
They leave me alone. I'm your daughter.
You're my daughter. Are you sure? And I'm here thinking, this is my wife. And now you see you're my daughter. Okay. Then marry daddy. Come here, just marry daddy.
Daddy, leave me alone.
Bobo, are you alright? I just had a bad dream about those of you who are trying to rape you.
Ah, you did?
Yes.
3 boys?
Yes.
Guns, knives. I had the same dream. That's why I'm here.
Were you hurt?
Honey. Well, she'll be fine. Let's go. She'll be fine. Just sleep. She'll be fine. She'll be fine.
I hope you're alright.
She'll be fine. She'll be fine.
Are you sure you'll be okay?
Are you fine? No, she'll be fine. She'll be fine. Let's go. She'll be fine. She will be fine. Sleep. She'll be fine. Good morning, my angel.
Good morning, Dad.
Where's your brother?
He's still sleeping.
At this time? Is he not supposed to be ready for school?
Dad, we're on midterm break.
Oh, true. I forgot.
Dad.
Yes.
What was that you did last night?
Last night? What? I don't remember anything.
I mean, the holding, the touching. Dad, I'm your daughter.
Well, I thought you... Oh, okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry about last night. Actually, I was drunk.
Daddy, how can you claim you were drunk but the moment you suffered your eyes cleared?
Well, I was just...
Good morning, my housemates.
Good morning, son.
Good morning, Dad.
How was the night?
Hi, Dad. Oh, good night. So, what is it?
I'm fine. Should just...
Shameless dog.
So you are back? I'm asking you, so you are back? When I begged God for a husband, I begged him for a real man, not a drunk.
Just like I did when I asked God for a wife, not a fellow man.
It is your mother that is a man. It is your grandmother that is a man. Your father's mother is a man. Your 3 sisters, they are men. Every single woman in your family, they are men. All of them.
If she was a man, you'd have been able to give birth to me and my 3 elder sisters. Isn't she better than you, a nagging man, who could not even give me a child?
See, the only difference between your mother and myself is that she was lucky enough to have a strong man who deposited an impotent fool like you into her womb. That's very fast.
Were you not there when the doctor certified me okay? Tell yourself some home truth.
Tell yourself some home truth. You tell yourself some home truth. I know you paid the doctor because that same doctor told me that I can give birth to children. You. Is it me you're fooling? There is nothing here. Nothing here is working. Nothing. See, it's not even budging. Nothing is working. Nothing. If you were like, wear longer trousers. Nothing here is working. Nothing. I can see this.
Then why are you not yet pregnant?
Because my dear drunk husband cannot impregnate me. As I told you earlier, there is nothing here. Nothing. Go and drink more. There is nothing there. There is nothing. Pay all the doctors. It's not working. It's not working. Drunk. See. There is nothing there. Nothing there is working. I say nothing there is working.
My prince, as one of the cabinet and the loyalist to our late Iwe, your father, I came to tell you one very important secret. Very, very important. You have to have a wife. It's very important before our next cabinet meeting. Very important.
Well, Uncle, you're right. You're right. My servant told me. You see, right now, getting married. That's the last thing on my mind. Believe me.
You don't have to stand that way, my prince. You must protect what belongs to you. The throne belongs to you. I know you missed your parents so much, so dearly. And you know, if they were alive today, the same thing I'm telling you now is what they will tell you. It's been long you finish your studies in the white man's land. So you must get married, my prince.
Oh, Uncle, you won't understand. Believe me, you won't understand, Uncle. You see, apart from losing my parents, Uncle, I also lost the only woman that I ever dreamt of marrying. I lost her to the ugly hands of death.
My prince,
it's not as easy as you think, Uncle.
I understand. You are a man. You are no more ordinary. You are a king. You will take heart. It is well.
It's your turn. Come and take this. Come on.
That place, though.
Come and take this. Is your turn.
Hey, go there.
Turn your back.
Hey, don't command me.
Go that side. Those ones are also flowers. Yeah. Ha.
I miss you, children.
Me too, mommy.
But what am I saying? What's that? You children look so malnourished. Oh, Agugwa, I personally asked you to feed this boy. Fred, why are you so skinny?
Mom, you know I did, but he doesn't like eating.
But everything be about food. Man shall not live by bread alone.
I can see that. The bread is not even showing on you. But now I'm back, you're going to live on my friend's side. You children should get my bag after this.
Welcome, Mom.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No, don't tell me thank you. You go and get my handbag.
Mommy, he's getting it.
No, it's in front of the car. Pass this way, this way, this way. Don't go and argue there. Pass here, it's alright.
Mommy, he can get it now.
Get my bag?
Mommy, I'm coming. Mom, did you get those chocolates I asked for? Those big ones in my shoes and all that?
Roland, I don't want any problem.
Chioma.
You're saying this morning.
Chioma.
I'm saying this morning now.
Just allow me to dress for work, please, Chioma.
Did I say you should not dress?
Choma, you look for someone to kill you, but certainly not me. God will provide you with one.
God will help me use you to fulfill my heart desire of lying down dead this morning.
I refuse to eat the food of a woman who harasses me every now and then.
I refuse to allow you go anywhere. I'm not going to walk away.
Choma.
You are not going anywhere.
I say leave me. Choma, leave me now.
Okay.
What do you mean? Choma, say leave me.
Roland.
Oh, yeah, leave me now.
You're not going anywhere.
Choma, leave me.
Okay.
Choma, say leave me.
Roland, leave me.
Choma, leave me. I say leave me.
Okay now.
Choma,
eat the food first. Eat the food first, Roland. Bite your nose. Eat the food.
Choma, leave me.
I'll write you.
Okay, it's okay.
Roland, I'll bite you.
Get your hands off me. I said get your hands off me.
Are you eating the food or not?
Okay, let's go.
So you want to eat the food now?
I allow me.
Do you want to eat the food?
I said leave me first. Leave me. Choma, I said leave me.
Roland, you should leave me.
Choma, leave me.
Roland, you're looking for trouble.
Please, okay.
You're looking for trouble.
It's okay, let's
That's my breast.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Are you eating the food now?
I said let's go.
Are you slapping me?
No, I'm not. Let's go.
Are you slapping me?
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go.
So you want to eat the food?
Let's go.
So you want to eat the food now?
Let's go now.
Come back. Let me go.
Chioma, you have to come out here and listen to me. Stop telling me that nonsense. Understand what?
Sister, you don't understand. He goes out and comes home drunk every day. Every day, sister. It's a ritual for Roland. A ritual. What am I supposed to do? Beat a drum for him, cook and let him eat?
Baby, sit down. Now I have to talk to you. Sit here. You are my kid sister. I know you very well. I know what you're capable of. This same young man you are calling devil and drunk right now. Have you forgotten that it's this same young man that you call a drunk and a devil that almost slapped the mother because she called you a barren witch? What else do you want from him? I can understand that the problem both of you are facing right now is the issue of childlessness. That is not the reason you should lose your home to another woman.
Yes. What do you mean lose my home to another woman, sister?
You can lose your home because you insult him. You abuse him, you humiliate him. Do you understand that he is a man? You're pushing him so hard. If you push that man the way you are pushing him and he fall into the hands of a loving woman, I don't pray or wish you see that. He should be the one to abuse you because you've not been able to get pregnant.
Why is that, sister?
Because in this part of the world, my little sister, is a man's world. That's why you have to be careful. I don't want you to think I don't understand how you feel. I do. I don't want you to lose your home. It's okay. See, sweetheart. Sit. It's okay. We'll fight it together, okay? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
could never hurt you or make you cry or embarrass you. I'm sorry.
You're sorry. Could this be real? Or is she pretending to get something from me? Oh God. I just hope that this repentance is for real. I'm tired of fighting and quarreling in my family. I pray that this is for real.
Sister, how is he?
He's fine. He's fine, sister. I must say thank you for the truth you told me. Else I would have still been treating my husband like an animal. I'm really grateful, sister. Thank you.
I'm so happy to hear that. And that's why you're smiling so much this morning. Anyway, in the other way around, I must congratulate you, my stubborn little sister, for listening to me for once in your life.
I always listen to you. Okay, maybe not always, but sometimes I do.
Thank God you said that.
But thank you for rejuvenating my marriage. Thank you.
You're welcome, sweetheart. You know I told you that I'll always be here for you.
And I owe you one.
You owe me?
Yes.
I can't wait for what you want to bribe me with. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
Anyway, Chime, I called you here this morning for us to have a discussion, an important one, and for me to give you a good news.
Good news?
See, Chime, I want us to talk about our family problem, our father's name. And the good news is that I met a nurse that told me that we can get a male child from our clinic with a little sum of ₦1 million.
How?
See, this woman said that young girls come to deliver in her clinic, and in the process they beg her to sell those kids to couples that can afford that amount.
Sister, forget that one.
She forget it? Why?
Because, sister, blood, they say, is thicker than water. Nobody's going to give you their blood in exchange for money and not come back to claim it. No. I've been thinking too. And I think I have a solution to the problem.
You have a solution? Tell me.
Sister, we have to be cautious with blood. And you have to understand that we have to do everything we can to ensure that Mama's wishes does not die like that, you know. So I am certain that Ogugwa is our only hope of solving this problem.
Ogugwa? How will she help in this situation?
Everything, sister. She's a girl, a growing woman. All we have to do is... All we have to do, sister, is get a man to impregnate her.
Lord of Jesus.
If she gives birth to a son, it becomes her father's son.
Chioma, are you crazy? Have you gone mad? My own daughter? I think you're sick.
Sister.
How can you suggest a thing like that? Don't tell me that! What is it?
I want to use your laptop.
My laptop? What for?
I want to register for our posterior.
When is it coming up?
Next week, Monday.
Are you sure? That's my laptop for But do me a favor.
Yes, Mommy.
Could you please check my mails for me? It's been long I checked.
Got no problem.
You have my password, right?
Yes, I do.
Angel.
What again, Mommy? Mommy, of course we'll be done by tomorrow. Mommy, you don't need to panic. I won't pass out this time, I promise.
I know you won't. Just go. Fred is waiting for you. Just remember to check my mail.
I will now.
And you guys should sleep early.
Thank you, Mommy. I'll sleep early too. Good night.
My prince, after a series of meetings and deliberations, the Council of Elders has concluded on what to do about the throne of your father.
My noble prince, fellow elders, we all are aware that your late father, our Igwe, was a very, very good man to this land. May his soul rest in peace. In regards to that, it is natural and in our tradition that you, being the heir to the throne, should take after him. And we have concluded for that in the next 12 months. Is it not so? But on condition, my prince, you must get married. And have a son that will take after you before you will be crowned. I guess I've said your mind.
My prince and my fellow elders. Yes, it's true that it's against our culture to crown a prince that has no son, let alone an unmarried one. But laws were made for man are not made for them. And that is why we have just decided to change the law a little because of the respect we have for our late Igwe. He was a very good man. So for that reason, my prince, we the Council of Elders have concluded to honor you with this throne.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much, my fathers. I appreciate your support, and I promise that I will do my best to present to you all my wife and my son in the next 12 months.
The authority of the leadership will be shifted from your immediate family. So said our tradition.
I'll do my best, Chief.
Sister, I'm very sorry about what I said the other day about Ogugwa. I mean, I shouldn't have. I went too far. I should have been more considerate. And I'm sorry.
Jimmy, it's okay. On the contrary, I'm not angry. See, I gave it a deep thought. I came to realize that it's a wise thing to do. Yes, we have to save our father's name.
Yes, okay. Just make some reservation for us, right? Yes, we'll be there. Yeah.
Oh, who is making some reservations and where are we going?
We're going to Obudu Cattle Ranch.
No! It's a lie!
It's true.
I love that. I hear of that. I just hear of it. We're going?
Yes. But this time we're not going to hear about it alone. You're going to walk around there and see things for yourself.
I love you.
I love you too.
My God. When are we going? When?
This weekend.
What am I doing? Park. I need to park. What is up?
Would you respect my prince? It's been 16 years since she died. Why can't you allow her soul to rest in peace?
No. See, I'm sure that wherever my love is right now, she will know no rest until I kneel by her graveside, plant a flower there, and bid her farewell.
Fine if that's the way you want it. But let me tell you one thing, my prince. That compound will be as lonely as graveyard, since the only two survivors in that family are both girls, who are now settled in their husband houses.
I think I know all that, Adunze.
Her grave is somewhere around here.
I mean, like around here?
Yes, my prince.
You sure?
Yes, my prince.
Must have been here. First of all, what you're gonna do, get some stones, let's raise a tomb. Okay? Right? It's like doing that.
I was far away from home. I couldn't find another true love. True love. Now I'm back to base again. The only one and true love is gone. She's gone. The days are getting lonely. The nights are getting too dead. What can I do without you? I'm so in love.
Very, very wonderful. And hello, beautiful girls of Amechina. How you doing?
Fine.
Can I have a word with you, me? No, she. Yeah. I am Prince Derek. What is your name?
My name is Ijoma, but my sisters call me Ije.
Wow, that's a very suitable name for a damsel like you. Do you know that? No, we just started talking. Listen, let me help you with this. It is going to fall.
No, it won't. Thank you.
I can see you're a very, very shy person. So I think I'll just let you go. Then my servant will come and pick you up later. How about that?
What for?
I like you. Yes, I do. Oh, don't you like me?
I don't know.
Okay, just go. My servant will come and pick you up tomorrow. Okay?
To where?
To Mango Tree, on your way to Amodi Farm, yes, under the mango tree.
Why there?
Well, because it allows him a quiet time alone. That's why he prefers that. Yeah.
Okay. Let me go and change into something.
But you are... Okay.
My mother is around, so you have to go. I'll meet you.
Listen, this is the first time I'm actually having something to do with a woman. And I'm so grateful to my ancestors for making you my first woman.
I just want you to know that this is the first time I'm feeling anything for any man. And I'm grateful to my ancestors for making you my first.
Really? You're so beautiful. I love you so much.
Thank you, my prince.
For what?
For making you step down from royalty as to have anything with a low life like me.
Listen, you don't have to say that, okay? Whatever authority I command, I promise to share with you. I also promise to share my throne with you because I love you so much.
That's nice, my prince.
And one more thing.
What, my
I
prince?
think I deserve to be addressed as something much better than just my prince. Yeah.
Something like what?
Something like my heart, my love, my hero. You know, something very sweet.
I think I know what to call you.
And okay, let me tell you something. I think you should call me my love, my life, my heart, my hero.
I will call you my treasure.
You're my jewel, and I love you so much. Come here.
Treasure. Now you have to eat this.
Okay. I'll give you.
No, I don't want that. I want to...
No, just hold on a bit. Let me just put it in your mouth.
My love, I've been around for a while now, and I have been expecting to see you. And that is because I don't believe you're gone. Even right this minute that I'm standing at your graveside, I still don't believe you're gone. I just feel that you just come out from nowhere. Just come out and then tell me it's all one big joke. Just tell me
Our main concern should be we making sure that this man does not realize the implication of selling his own blood.
Sister, the blood matters. It matters. I don't want some dumb human being impregnating my niece. Then she gives birth to some stupid dumb child who will carry my father's name. No.
So are you saying that my gate man is not good enough for that?
He is not, sister. Your gate man is not good enough. If he was a real man, he won't end up an ordinary gate man.
Oh, come on, Chioma. Stop playing God.
I'm not playing God. I'm only begging you. Please give me the opportunity to search for a suitable candidate for this job. Please.
You know that you're very stubborn, and I am not ready for this argument right now. I think I will wait to see what you come up with.
Thank you so much for the opportunity, sister.
Hello.
My name is Chioma.
I'm Solo.
Hi, Solo. It's nice to meet you.
You too.
I'm wondering, going my way?
Well, I'm waiting for an Okada that will take me down the road.
Oh, come on. Let me give you a ride.
Really?
Yeah. Something we need to discuss. Hop in.
Sure.
I'm sure my sister explained it all to you. I don't have a problem with your fee. She told me about your money. But one thing she didn't tell you is that you go for HIV test because you'll be sleeping with your client unprotected.
Oh, well, I don't think I have a problem with going for the test, you know. Oh, but what about my client? I hope she'll be tested too.
Solomon, like I told you, the girl in question is still a virgin. She's just 15. She's my niece, her daughter. Now the reason we're doing this is because of her health condition. The doctor said if she isn't disvirgined at 15 or 16, she will never be able to give birth again.
Oh, I see. In that case, I'm increasing my pay from 300 grand to 500. Got a deal?
It's okay. It's settled.
Good. Ready? Let's go.
Blindfold yourself.
What?
I said blindfold yourself.
Am I supposed to blindfold myself? For what? Why?
You know I'm not a kidnapper. This is how this business will go. You either blindfold yourself and we leave, or you forget about it. You still have time. You can get down from the car.
Shh.
Come down and remove your blindfold. I said come down.
Darling, how are you? I'm fine. Where's your brother?
Fred. Mom, you asked him to meet you up at your office.
Oh, I forgot. I'll see him later. Okay? Anyway, let me make a formal introduction here. This is Mr. Serge, my business partner from Cameroon. Guess what? He came in to supply me goods worth of 4 million on credit. What do you think?
Thank you.
You're welcome, dear.
What do you think is worth celebrating?
Yes, of course.
Come on, it's worth celebrating.
Yes, sure.
That's good. See?
1 second.
Don't dance too much.
That's your balance. It was nice doing business with you.
But your facial expression doesn't say the same.
I don't remember my facial expression having anything to do with our business whatsoever.
Point noted. Anyways, thanks for keeping to our agreement. Seems you know how badly I treat any form of disappointment.
The way you treat your form of disappointment will certainly be minute as to the way I will treat my form of disappointment, Mister.
And what are you implying?
I'm implying, Mister, that the minute you step your feet out of my car, I don't know you, and you don't know me. Unless, of course, I call you. That is even it be. And if I don't know you, and neither do you.
Sorry, I don't even know you two.
Smart one, chap. Out of my car.
The line out of me? What happened? Why are you both crying?
Nothing, son. Everything is okay.
You've been crying since I entered here. What is happening? Auntie, what is wrong? Say something.
It's nothing. She's crying because Obubo is not feeling fine.
What happened?
Well, she had serious menstrual pain today and she collapsed again.
Again? I thought the doctor said that everything has been taken care of.
Yes, the doctor said she was fine. I mean, she is going to be fine. It's normal. I mean, it's normal feminine problems. Yeah. But she'll be fine. Sweetie, it's okay. It's okay.
Mommy! Why is my case always different?
It's okay, my angel. It's okay.
Sister, I called to know how Gugu is doing.
She woke up strong this morning. She's okay.
I hope there's no problem.
No, she's okay. She's fine. But Chume, let me ask you, what if this girl doesn't get pregnant by this single act?
Sister, she will get pregnant.
I'm just asking, what if she doesn't? What do we do?
Sister, relax. She will certainly get pregnant.
Okay, if you say so. But Chume, tell me, why did you ask that guy to blindfold his eyes when he entered the car?
So that he won't be able to trace us in future. I mean, he was in the house, and yet he doesn't know where you live.
Chume, I know that you're very stubborn, but I don't know where you get all these ideas from. Girl. Okay, no problem. Take care of yourself.
Just relax.
Okay, good night.
Alright. Bye.
It's been 3 weeks now and no sign of pregnancy. God, are you sure this silly boy didn't play fast one on us? Because if truly it worked, why hasn't she started throwing up, feeling dizzy and all those? In fact, she has to stop all this rough play. I think I have to do that. I'll go.
Yes, Mom.
Meet me in the kitchen.
Mom, 5 minutes.
I said stop. Fred!
Huh?
Take that ball away. Let her meet me in the kitchen. I don't want to wait for you in the kitchen.
Daddy, what are you doing in my room?
Oh, I came to let you know that I will drop you and your brother off at the test very tomorrow. 7 a.m.
Just stop it. Just stop it, okay? Just stop it. Else I will report you to Mom.
What rubbish? I just came here to let you know that I will drop
Daddy,
you the money.
please, just stop it. I just got you people at me when I was having my birthday. Instead of you accepting your mistakes, you're here denying it. Just stop it.
What rubbish is that? We're just talking rubbish. I'm telling you, be ready in the morning tomorrow. I'm going to drop you and your brother at the exam venue. Be ready. 7 a.m. Oh.
Are you kids to come out? I wish you luck.
Oh, come on, children, let's go.
Hey, take care of yourself, huh? And you? Take care.
Mom, I have an appointment to keep.
Fred, take care of yourself. Sweetheart, not even a kiss?
Oh. Sorry, honey, sorry. I have an appointment to keep. I see you later.
Okay.
Come on, get in.
Bye, sweetie. Bye.
What? What is wrong?
It's okay.
What's that? What did you hit?
Sorry. It's okay.
What did this morning?
It's okay. Let me go inside the house.
Please, enough of this suspense. What exactly is wrong with her?
Well, according to the result of the test we ran, she is 6 weeks pregnant.
What? No. Now that there is unacceptable.
Here's the result of the test, sir.
Honey, you know that is unacceptable, right? Doctor, she's pregnant?
Yes.
How? When?
Sweetheart, my love, darling, please forgive her.
Please, stop it. Stop it again. Now, do you know the gravity of disgrace your daughter has brought to my noble family? Did you know? Now, as a matter of fact, if you don't want me to skin you alive, you better open your mouth now and tell me who got you pregnant.
I swear to God Almighty, believe me, I'm still a virgin.
Yes, Dad, it's true. She's still a virgin.
Oh, shut up, young man. Shut up. How do you know that? Can you swear on your life?
She doesn't hide anything from me.
Well, she does this time. She does. Because your sister here, she's lying. Unless, of course, if my family doctor for 15 years, I'll suddenly become incompetent. Your sister here is lying. You understand? She's lying. And by God, I'm going to force the truth out of you. Now, if you don't open your mouth, I'll start talking. Oh, you listen. I'm going in there before I come back. You better start talking. You tell me who got you pregnant. Okay? Sweetheart, eh? If you don't tell me you got you pregnant, then I'm going to scream your life. Now, before I come back out here, you must start talking. Okay? Now, leave her.
It's okay. It's okay. Let's go to my room, okay? It's okay, let's go. No, it's not going to kill you. Sorry.
You are brave. Braver than a man. I thank you for the risk you took just to ensure that your father's lineage does not end. I will forever be grateful to you and Chioma for the risk that you took. I go now.
Please, Daddy, please. I know Ogo messed up, but you don't have to throw her out. She's still your daughter, please.
Well, if she believed that I'm truly her father, now she would tell me who got her pregnant.
Daddy, I have never lied to you. I have never done anything with any man before. I swear to God Almighty, I don't know how I got this pregnancy. All I ask is for your forgiveness.
Now that you have brought God's name into this, well, I have reason to believe that God has hand in that.
Honey, what are you saying?
Well, you and I both know that only one woman has ever gotten pregnant without being with a man. And this woman gave birth to Jesus Christ. And we know that Jesus Christ is coming again. So I just believe that God has given us another one to give birth to another Jesus Christ.
Oh, sweetheart, that is blasphemy. My Bible says that you must not use the name of God in vain.
Not me. It's not me. It's your daughter here who is mentioning God's name in vain. Not me.
How? How?
Well, as a matter of fact, I have agreed to forgive her, but on one condition. That she have bust that bastard in her.
She about what? What if something goes wrong?
No, nothing goes wrong. The only thing that is wrong here that I see is the fact that you all want her to give birth to a bastard in my own house. Impossible. Not in my own house. Now, you either tell her to abort that thing or I wash my hands for all of this. Enough of this nonsense.
Sweetheart.
Of me. If I don't provide a man responsible for my pregnancy, alternatively about this disgrace.
No. God forbid. A child is a gift from God and can never be a disgrace. You can't even buy a child from the marketplace. Else I would have bought a dozen.
Auntie Chioma, you're a married woman. That's why you see pregnancy as a blessing. I'm still single. It is a very big disgrace for me.
Hey, sweetheart, listen. If you say you have never met a man before, then I believe you. I do.
Come on, Chumi. She's not insisting. But you know that she's saying the truth.
I'm sorry, sister. I just wanted to hear it from her own mouth. Listen, I must advise you against an abortion. It's too dangerous. Anything can happen. If the equipment are not well sterilized, you could contract a disease. AIDS, anything at all. What if the doctor is not a professional? You might lose your womb. No, an abortion is out of it. Lots of girls go in to have an abortion, but very few come out. Hey, with or without Izzy, we will be there for you. I'll help you. We'll make sure you don't lack anything. Okay?
Ogogoa, she's right. We'll take good care of you. We'll make sure you lack nothing. I'll personally make sure that you and the baby are safe. Okay? We'll take care of you. Everything will be alright.
Chioma and Mom says I might not survive an abortion. They say it's as stressful as a woman giving birth.
Then have the baby. Forget about that threat. I'm sure he has no choice. Hello? What's up? I'm cool and Ogwa is fine. No, I can't come down. I'm already in my pajamas. You're just telling it to me now. Alright. I understand. Let me try and know if there's a way I can sneak out. My dad hates parties. Let me try.
Uloma, you are very selfish.
Me? How?
Honestly, you are selfish. Now, look at this way. Just because I was kind enough to take that bastard as my own child, now you want me to also accept a bastard from her too into my house? Now that is unfair.
Why do you sound like this? Why do you sound as if someone forced you to accept that girl?
Someone did. And that someone is you.
This is a lie. I know before marrying you, I begged you to accept this girl as your daughter. And you agreed. At least let's train her up to a point where we can sit her down and talk to her. Why are you saying this?
That time is now. The time is now, Lord. Any girl or any woman that can carry another life in her womb is old enough for anything. The time is now.
Honey, I'm disappointed. It's because of... I don't blame you. I blame death. If not, I lost my sister. Would you be telling me this? Would you be telling me that? So my sister.
It was good until I heard your discussion with Dad last night.
My discussion with your dad? What did you hear?
That Ogugo is not my dad's biological daughter.
How will you shut up? Fred, make sure that nonsense you have just said doesn't get Ogugo's ear or any other. Did you hear me? Get to the dining and your breakfast will soon be ready. You come here to tell me rubbish. Go away for your breakfast!
even walks in here now and sees you this relaxed in my own balcony, now he or she is liable to think that you are relaxed in your roughly wedded husband's house. Not knowing that you're just a stupid girl who got pregnant by God knows who while still in your parents' house. First, you refused me. Then you brought that bastard in your womb to put my name to shame.
I'm sorry, Daddy.
Oh yes, you're sorry. You better be sorry. Now, would you remove your stupid body from my presence before I beat you down? Where do you think you're going?
To my room.
With my drink?
Okay.
Now come here. Would you hand over that drink before I begin to beat you down now? Now hand over. And get out of here. Idiot. You think I bought my drink with my own money for you?
Thank you so much. I think we should be on our way home now. I can see she's okay.
Of course, madam. But, madam, there is one more thing I would love to discuss with you about your daughter.
Really? Okay, I'm all ears.
You see, madam, in the course of the x-ray, I found out your daughter's pelvis is too narrow and she can't have a normal delivery. So I advise we terminate the pregnancy or she undergo a cesarean section.
Doctor, what are you talking about? The fact that my daughter mistakenly got pregnant does not give us the right to sit here and talk about murder. It's against my belief and I will not do it.
Madam, that has nothing to do with your belief. I mean, it's your daughter's safety we're talking about here.
Then let me put it to you that her safety is in the hands of God and not yours. Let's leave it at that. You have something else to tell me? You go ahead. Let's go. It's okay, sweetheart. Let's go, it's okay.
My love, left to me, I will just remain unmarried and mourn you for the rest of my life, just as you would have done if the reverse was the case. But due to the pressure from both my maternal and paternal relatives, I have to take a wife. But I am so confused. I am so confused. I don't know what to do. I don't know where to start from. I don't want any other woman. I don't yearn for any other woman. I don't feel any other woman except you. How do I start? I need your help. I need your blessings. I need you to wish me luck. Please. Please, my love, would you help me? Would you help me, please?
I'm still waiting, still hoping to see you again. Now I'm back to base again. The only one and true love is gone. She's gone. The days are getting lonely. The nights are getting too dead. What can I do?
Odunze. Welcome, my prince.
How are you today?
Fine, thank you, my prince.
Good.
With all due respect, my prince, I would like to talk to you about something.
Something?
Yes, my prince.
I hope there's no problem.
Of course, my prince, there is problem. And the problem is the way you're going about the condition the others gave you to meet up with before claiming your late father's throne.
And how have I been going about it?
My prince, you're not taking it seriously. 6 months have passed and you've not found a wife, let alone marrying her.
Look, Odunze, I have been trying my best, right? I've been trying my best, but I don't know, it's just not clicking.
It's not been clicking. Simply because all you've been doing in these past 6 months, my prince, it's going to Ijeoma's graveside, dropping her flowers and keeping her company. If not that, my prince, by now you would have found yourself a beautiful girl.
Look, Odunze, fine, listen. About this issue, you don't have to bother yourself anymore. You know why? Because I just got permission from my jewel. Yes. She says that I can go ahead and take any woman I want as a wife.
Did you see Ijeoma?
Not physically though, but I felt her presence and I heard her voice. I heard the voice of my love. I heard her loud and clear. So,
How have you been going?
Fine. And you? How's school been?
School is fine, it's just that it's not been easy without you being there to help me sort the assignments and the quiz.
Don't worry, sweetie. I'll join you as soon as I put to bed. Mom deferred my admission.
So, it's good to hear that. I really missed you.
Oh, I missed you more, honey. This whole house has been so lonely without you.
How do you mean? What about Mom?
Well, Mom has been busy with her boutique business. She goes out very early in the morning, comes back very late at night.
That's not an excuse. If she's too busy to attend to you, she has to employ a maid or something. What about Dad?
Out of town as usual. Besides, you know how he hates the sight of me ever since this ugly incident.
God forbid! My nephew or my niece is not an ugly incident.
Well, he's a boy.
How did you know?
Mom and I went for a scan. But On the day of the scan, the doctor said something really frightening. But to my greatest surprise, Mom did take it really seriously, and that gets me scared.
What did he say?
He advised the pregnancy be terminated or evacuated.
What was Mom's answer?
She chose the first option.
CS. Why would she consent to that?
She said God is in control.
Now, let me get this straight. What exactly are you talking about, Fred?
I'm talking about your cruelty to my sister. I'm talking about your attitude towards her. Just because she mistakenly got pregnant. It's unfair, Dad. It's unfair.
You're babbling. You're babbling. Why don't you just stop babbling? Now let me tell you, Fred. This here is my house. And I'll run it the way I please. Now could you please deal with that?
It's unfair, Daddy. Even you, Mom. You've not been really nice to her.
What did I do?
You've not been really nice to her. Business is good. Yeah, you don't have time. You could have employed a maid that will be helping her out.
Huh. Employ a maid? Now from whose pocket will this maid be paid?
It's unfair, Daddy. It's unfair.
Now if you're finished babbling, would you please get out of my room? Now get out of my room.
Well, Mom came to my room early this morning.
What for?
To give me some money for my daily upkeep. And also to tell me that she's not happy because I told you that she wasn't taking care of me.
Don't mind her. Her conscience is just breaking her. I give them a piece of my mind.
But Fred, don't you think you were a bit harsh on her? I mean, she was even shedding tears.
Forget her. She's just crying after thinking of all I said to her last night. And she knows that she's not being fair on you. And do you know that Mom is supposed to be spending a night in your room, knowing that this is your first experience? Anyway, I'm gonna be doing all that for you and my nephew. I'm gonna like cooking for you.
Cooking? What do you know about cooking?
Oh, you've forgotten. Forgotten I'm in school and I'm alone. I do my cooking myself.
Oh yeah, that's interesting. Thank you.
You're welcome. And as for you being alone, I promise I will spend most of my time with you starting today.
Again?
Yes.
Yeah, thanks so much.
Okay. No. It's okay. You can go in now and have some rest. I'll complete it.
It's just this one.
No, you shouldn't insist. I'll complete it there. Just go inside, have some rest.
I'm serious. If you don't stop them, I will. because I don't want that useless girl to influence my son.
You're the stupid one here. You think I don't know why you develop a sudden hatred for her? Because you shamelessly wanted to lure that poor girl to bed. And she refused. That is why you are crucifying her as if she committed a crime.
Oh, okay. All right.
Shameless thing.
Assuming I even made advances at her. And she refused me, claiming to be a saint. Not knowing that she's just this useless girl that goes all over the places. Now I know even runs in their blood. I know. They're like mother, like daughter.
You're a useless man. In fact, you are a rag. You should be ashamed of yourself. Stupid man. How they got to talk about my family.
Listen. You are the one here, Uloma, who's supposed to hide your head in shame.
And why?
Because you know everything about that pregnancy. You do.
And so?
You do. You think I don't know? See, I know. Listen, you can deceive the stupid girl and everybody else, but not me. You think I don't know how you try so hard to get a male child to keep your father's lineage going on? I know this. You can't deceive me. You can't deceive me.
Listen, you are a miserable man.
Yes, thank you.
I can see frustration written all over you.
Yes,
how dare you mention my family name?
Thank you. Yes, thank you.
think I have your
Yes,
time?
thank you.
Go and carry her, open her leg.
Thank you.
Stupid, silly man. Others go outside. You carry a young girl in the house. What is in between?
Thank you. Good night.
Good night, Sue. And don't turn this side.
Sorry.
Please help me. Come, mommy.
Mommy. Sorry.
Honey, my waist.
Sorry.
My waist.
Sorry. Mommy.
My waist. Come, mommy.
It's okay.
What is this? Fred, what is this? Sorry. Okay, Zia. Sorry. Hold my shoulder. Just hold my shoulder. Give me the pillow.
Sorry.
Put your back. Madam, mommy, breathe in for me. Just a deep breath. And this. Try. Breathe in. Try now for me. Madam, mommy. Oh yeah, try. Sorry. It's okay. Sorry. Breathe in for me. Breathe in. Just don't stop talking and just breathe in. Oh yeah, breathe out. I want to take it to the hospital. Fred, go and take the car. That bag I packed, take it to the car. Okay, I'm going to take it to the hospital. Go now. Okay, I come. Get up. Let me rub your back. Yes. Let me rub your back. Sorry. I'm rubbing it. What is the time, Fred?
I don't know. No, what?
You didn't even come with your watch. Hi. Doctor. Thank God, doctor is here. How is she?
I must be frank with you, madam. She is not fine.
How? Is it not labor? She was just in labor now.
Yes, she's in labor. Like I told you some few months back, your daughter's reproductive system is too premature to go through the normal way of birth. So I recommend a CS as fast as possible.
Hi, Shimo. Oh. Hi, what have I done? But doctor, can't you do? Is there nothing you can do? You can inject her. There are things you can do. Eh? Just think now.
I advised earlier. We had a DNC on her, but you refused. Now, the only remedy is, as I said.
Doctor, please. Just do anything you think is possible. Please. Just save her for me.
Please, I beg you. Please do anything to save my daughter and the little boy. Oh, please. Oh,
it's alright. Then you need to come with me to my office to sign some very important documents.
Just do it.
The person in ward 3 is forcibly pushing out the babies. Come on, doctor. You're making me nervous. What's going on? Is my sister alive?
Doctor, you just said she had a son. But you haven't told me anything about my daughter. What is going on here?
Yes, madam. She has a son, but she is not all right.
What's wrong with her?
Madam, like 3 years ago, do you remember when a nurse ran to me to report that your daughter was forcing out the baby? Even when no one else was around to help her?
Yes.
And like I warned some few months ago, she has Vivi.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth. What do I tell my husband?
Please, can someone talk to me? What in God's name is...
You see, young man, VVS is a medical condition whereby a teenage girl with a premature reproductive system gets pregnant and tries to give birth in a normal way. Then in the process of the pushing and all the stress that comes with the childbirth, damage is done to her vagina, which also affects her bladder.
Excuse me, doctor. Is this a very common disease in North where teenage girls that were forced into early marriage got their bladder damaged and then because of that lose control of their urine?
Of course, young man. That is very intelligent of you. Listen, young man. It's not a hopeless case. The disease is curable and also affordable.
So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and cure my daughter. Money is not our problem. So why are you sitting down here telling me all these theories?
Please, doctor, do anything possible to save her for me, please.
Yes, the disease is curable and also affordable. But, madam, it requires some time. I mean, a lot of time. Because the damage done to both our bladder and our vagina will need to heal before we commence any form of surgery on her.
Surgery on her? Do he? Oh God.
Doctor, do something. Do something. Just save her for me. Save her for me, please. Do something.
You see, I said it. Did I not? But my stubborn wife will not listen. Now the repercussion is here. And you want me to partake in the suffering? Inhaling urine and some other rubbish? No. Now let me tell you right now. I don't want that girl and a bastard child anywhere around my house, unless of course you want to experience my anger. Do you understand that?
That's wickedness, Dad. That's wickedness.
What?
Is there another thing apart from her getting pregnant?
Now, why don't you ask your mother that? Ask her that. And by the way, now why in the world do you talk to me like that? Now let me warn you, for your own good, don't you ever talk to me like that, because the next time you do that, I will come to you man to man. Now where's my key? Who has the key? Give me my key. Nonsense.
Choma, Roland, to the glory of God, I present to you a new Okokwa, a survivor, my princess. I call her a paradigm of beauty, my jewel of inestimable value.